So let us discuss the another error that is called as displacement error, which is represented with ED. So this is the another error which represents the deviation from the linearity. Let us see how to derive this displacement error. So very important in the examination. Let us say first let us take this graph. Let us take this graph. So let us say, so this is V0 of t versus t. So let us say the graph, the exponential charging graph is like this. The exponential charging graph is like this. So let us say, so this is the linear graph. So this is the linear graph. Let us say this is the actual output. So this is the capacitor charging equation, actual output. So this is your linear output. This is blue line is your actual output. This is the linear output which we require. So let us say t is equal to ts is the sweep time. At the end of the sweep, let us say the sweep amplitude is Vs. So what is this displacement error? So therefore you can see that the maximum deviation between the actual sweep and the linear sweep occurs at t is equal to ts by 2. So you can clearly observe that from these graphs, the maximum deviation. Say let us say this is the maximum deviation. So the maximum deviation. So this is the maximum deviation. So the maximum deviation occurs at t is equal to ts by 2. So first let us define what is the displacement error. Let us see how to derive this equation. First I write the definition as it is defined as let us see the definition. ED, let us say ED, the maximum deviation between actual sweep, this is the actual sweep, and linear sweep. Let us say the linear sweep. What is the linear? That passes through initial and final points of actual sweep. So let us, this is all the numerator point. So you can write here clearly ED, the displacement error. You can see that the maximum deviation between actual sweep and the linear sweep. What is this linear sweep? The linear sweep that must pass through the initial and end points of actual sweep. So that is what we have written here. The linear sweep that must pass through the initial and final points of actual sweep to the that is the very important denominator, to the sweep amplitude at the end of the sweep. So this is how it is defined, the displacement error. So let us say very carefully, this graph, the actual graph, let us say the actual graph or the actual output is say Vs, and say the linear graph is say Vs dash. Let us say the actual graph or the actual output is say Vs and the linear sweep is say Vs dash. So therefore this is mathematically expressed as, what is this? Vs minus Vs dash graphs difference, the maximum difference between these two graphs divided by, so we have to take the magnitude. So the maximum deviation, this is maximum difference, the maximum deviation between actual sweep and linear sweep, to So the sweep amplitude, what is the sweep amplitude which we have taken in the graph? Vs. So this is the how it is defined. So it is defined. So now what is our objective? Our objective is to find out Vs minus, so the numerator and just substitute in this equation, we get the displacement error. So from this, another important point is that, so we have already calculated the linear graph. So this is the linear graph. So what is this? Is linear graph equation, as you know, alpha t. So this one, the blue line equation is already, we know that v into 1 minus e power minus t by rc. So you have to remember what is this line equation, alpha t. Alpha, you know. What is the blue line graph? V into 1 minus e power minus t by rc. Just to calculate alpha t at t is equal to ts by 2. Calculate what is the voltage at t is equal to ts by 2. From these two, we can find out the numerator. So that is what I am doing here. So therefore, what is the linear output equation? What is the linear output? Alpha t. What is the initial step which we have derived? So v by rc into 2t. So this is the linear output equation. But what is the output at v at t is equal to ts by 2? What is the amplitude of the linear sweep? The amplitude of the linear sweep is, let us say, Vs dash. Let us say what is this value? So v by rc into ts by 2, which we get it as vts by 2rc. So this is the first step we have to calculate. So the amplitude of the linear graph at t is equal to ts by 2. So let us say this is equation 1. So Vs dash we have calculated, that is the amplitude of the linear sweep at t is equal to ts by 2 we have calculated. So what is the capacitor charging equation? Capacitor charging equation. What is the capacitor charging equation? V0 of t is equal to very simple formula, V into 1 minus e power minus t by rc. So this is the capacitor charging equation. Now what we want, the amplitude again at t is equal to ts by 2. At t is equal to ts by 2. So let us say this amplitude is, say, Vs. So Vs. So that is equal to V into 1 minus e power minus ts by 2rc. So this is the amplitude of the actual output at t is equal to ts by 2. So just to substitute, Vs is equal to V into 1 minus, already we have written the equation for this, 1 minus x by 2rc plus x square by 2 factorial, but that means it will become t square by 8r square c square. Neglect higher order terms. 1 will get cancelled out. So take ts by 2rc as common. Ts by 2rc as common. It will come out as 1 minus ts by 4rc. So this is the actual sweep amplitude at t is equal to ts by 2. Just we have calculated both. Just to substitute in the equation, you get the displacement error. Very simple. So therefore, so what is the displacement error? The displacement error formula is, what is this? The difference between the difference between actual sweep minus linear sweep magnitude. So this is the maximum deviation by the sweep amplitude at the end of the sweep. So what is Vs? What is Vs? We got Vts by 2rc into 1 minus ts by 4rc. So this is the actual amplitude, sweep amplitude. So what is Vs dash? What is Vs dash? Vs dash is V ts by 2rc. So this is the maximum deviation numerator by, what is sweep amplitude? The sweep amplitude which we have taken it as Vs. So but what is Vs? What is Vs? So V by rc. What is Vs? So Vs is equal to V by rc into ts. So because what is V? Linear graph equation, alpha t. So that is V by rc into t. So therefore at t, what is Vs? V by rc into Ts in this denominator. So let us substitute these things. Let us take the magnitude of this. So you can clearly see that. Let us substitute Vs also. So therefore it will come out as, so V Ts by 2 Rc minus 1 into 1 minus Ts by 4 Rc minus Vts by 2 Rc magnitude by, what is the sweep amplitude at the end of the sweep? V by Rc into Ts. So let us cancel out these things. So V by Rc, V by Rc. So V by Rc, V by Rc, V by Rc gets cancelled out. So you can clearly say that. So you can take it out. You take it Ts by 2 as common. You can take Ts by 2 as common in the numerator. Ts by 2, 1 minus what is this? Ts by 4 Rc minus 1. So just to take the magnitude by Ts. So you can see that Ts also gets cancelled out. 1 also gets cancelled out. It will come out as Ts by 8 Rc. Ts by 8 Rc. So if you multiply 2 minus Ts by 8 Rc, if you take the magnitude Ts by 8 Rc. So this is the displacement error. So we can write it as the displacement error. So therefore the displacement error, ED, what is the formula? Ts by 8 Rc. What is Ts in all the formulas? All the formulas, Ts here, Ts is sweep time. Remember that. What is the duration of the sweep? So let us write all the three formulas at one place. Let us write all the formulas at one place. So what is the first error? The first error from the deviation from linearity, slope or sweep speed error, slope or sweep speed error, which is represented with Es. So that is equal to Ts by Rc. Ts by Rc. This is the first one. The second one is the transmission error. The transmission error, which is, we have derived very simple formula. Transmission error, which is represented with Et. So what is Et formula? Ts by 2 Rc. Ts by 2 Rc. What is the third error? The third error is displacement error. So displacement error. The displacement error, which is represented with Ed, is equal to Ts by 8 Rc. So from these three relations, you can easily write. So what is Ed? So very important derivation in the examination. Ed is written as, you can see that, Es by 8 or Et by 4. You can write like this. From these three equations, so we can write like this. The first relation between the errors, or if you also write it as Es is equal to, you can write it as Es is equal to, you can write it as 2 times Et or 8 times Ed. So this is also the another relation which we have to derive in the examination. So this is about this three errors, very important errors, and very important examination question also. Slope or sweep speed error, transmission error, and a displacement error, and the relation between these three errors. Thank you.